Hi guys, so yesterday we was working with the new Poly Studio X50 video soundbar. Upon testing we noticed a bit of an issue that when you're trying to log into your Zoom resource or room account, the device, because of it's been shipped out on old firmware, outdated firmware, the device wouldn't actually let you log into your Zoom room or resource account. So you have to go into the web UI, update the device to the latest firmware first, and then this will allow you then to log in with your Zoom room or resource credentials. Just thought we'd share that with you guys. It might save you a bit of time on site, just in the meantime really, until the distributors and manufacturers start shipping the device out on the latest firmware. I think it's just due to the settings. Zoom Room have changed all the privacy policies and stuff recently, so I think that's just caused a bit of an issue with the outdated firmware and it just not recognising, not allowing you to connect. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.